Hi, I'm Antoinette Bester, and I'm going to share my experiences at teaching practice. I had a wonderful experience because I had the opportunity to do both independent school and mainstream school. It was significant to see the differences in dynamics because at the independent school, um, there's smaller classes and teachers have lots of resources or most resources, and they have teachers at the mainstream school. They have bigger classes, minimal to limited resources, and little to no teachers aid. And I think that is also what makes learning and teaching, it puts it on a different level from independent school to and a mainstream school, because I think mainstream teachers deals with more challenges on a daily than teachers at the independent school. But what I can say is, um, what stood out is like the teaching strategies and teaching methods are more or less the same. So, for informal assessment practices, um, like I said, it was running the same. For instance, when they were doing maths, um, they will teach the concept as a whole class, um, and then the ability level groups will each get like a workout, like differentiation on their level, or ability, and then the teacher will take smaller groups, and to consolidate the concept by asking questions, explaining, or using different resources or different teaching strategies to consolidate or bring the concept across learners with special needs or learning abilities. So, at both the independent and the mainstream, that was happening. And even with home language or first additional language, doing sounds, um, the sound will be introduced as to the whole class. Um, the teacher will introduce the words, what that begins or what that has that sound in the word. She will demonstrate how to sound it. She will break it up, and then um, the different ability groups will get um, activities or workouts accordingly, and then she will take smaller groups and use work sound cards to break up the word or build the word. And it was happening in both grade 2 and in grade 3. So for me, it was the inclusivity of the teaching strategies, and also observing and doing the informal, like when she sees that for the grade 2 teacher, when she sees there's a learner who's still struggling after taking them in small groups, then she will use intervals, and then she will call their children, and then she will work one-on-one with them. I think that is very effective, as you can see the learner's progress on a weekly um, in the weekly test results. You can see the improvement, and through my observations of what they were doing and how they were doing it, I will put that into practice using those different steps or teaching strategies, because I see it works and it shows learning improvement. Um, regards to behavior, for the past 3 years, I didn't have any learner behavior problems or issues. But with this teaching practice at the mainstream school, I had two incidents where with learner behavior, where the one incident was during my assessors lesson, where the two or three boys were misbehaving and they started hitting each other. I calmly stopped the lesson. I reprimanded them nicely in a calm tone of voice, and I separated them. Then, to include them or to ensure participation, I directed like questions or instructions to them, because the one was giving a bit of attitude, but I noticed it, but I didn't harbor on it. I included him in the lesson by asking him questions regards to the lesson. And the other incident was when the one boy tried to touch me. So I did this and I said stop calmly, also calmly, and I told him that he's not supposed to touch me and he must respect my personal space, that there's boundaries. I explained it as simple as I could for him to understand. And the next day he came and he apologized. Um, yeah, I think for these past 4 years, I've learned and gained a lot of experiences, a lot of knowledge, and and a lot of direction. And I'm very thankful for each and every mentor teacher and even the assessors for guiding me, supporting me, and not being afraid to tell me where I could change, what I could do different, and taking all that in consideration, I want to be a better version of what I was yesterday. Thank you.